Lifestyle Checker. We talk about myths and facts that are on trending. I am Rupali and today we are going to dive into the world of medical myths. In particular, we will debunking some misconception about gluten-free diet and exploring the truth behind this health and trend. So let's get started.
Gluten is a protein found in certain food items. It's responsible for giving food a sticky texture, and our bodies do need it, but in a balanced portion. Is gluten is only found in wheat and its derivatives? This is a common myth. In reality, gluten can also be found in soya beans, cheese, chocolates, and it's even used as a common addictive in processed food. In case if you are avoiding gluten, it's crucial to read food labels carefully before you eat. A gluten-free diet is healthy for everyone. Many people believe that a gluten-free diet automatically translates to a healthier lifestyle. According to nutritionists, this is not necessarily the case. Let's hear from an emergency medical officer at Batra Hospital in New Delhi.
It's also a great myth that it's unhealthy for everyone. So and a gluten-free diet is healthy. That's not the case because gluten is very much required for the body. It lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes, reduces the risk of exposure to toxic heavy metals, reduces risk to colorectal cancer. Because it cannot be broken down fully and hard to digest. So whenever we have gluten in our body, we eat. So if there is any toxic heavy metals or any substances, it binds to them and it is excreted as it is without absorbing into the body. So that it helps like that. So and.
To maintain a healthy weight, it's better to focus on consuming natural gluten containing food in controlled portion rather than completely avoiding them. Now that we have debunked these myths, it's clear that gluten is not the enemy. In fact, our bodies require it in a moderate amounts, even when we are trying to lose weight.